Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Rajput. Welcome to my channel. Today we discussing about the what are the types of loads in mechanics. So there are the five types of loads in the mechanics are as follows: point or concentrated load, uniformly distributed load, generally loading, external movement, and uniformly varying load. So we discuss our first load is point or concentrated load. If the definition of point or concentrated load is if a load is acting over a very small length compared to the span of the beam, it is approximate as a point load. The diagram of a point load or a concentrated load are as given. So the point loads is the point load means the one particular load or the object acting at a particular point is called as a point load. For example, we are discussing in the diagram where W1, W2, W3 are the point load acting at a particular point C, D and E. So our second load is uniformly distributed load. A load which has got some intensity over a considerable length is called as a uniformly distributed load. Means in that load, if a object for example 20 kilonewton is overly distributed in a beam or a span. Our third load is uniformly varying load. If the intensity of a load increases linearly along the length, is called as a uniform linearly varying load. The diagram of a linearly varying load as given. Then our fourth point is general loading. What is meant by general loading? The figure shows the case of a general loading. Here also ordinate represents the intensity of a loading and abscissa represents the position of the loading. For simplicity in the analysis, such as loading are replaced by a set of equivalent concentrated load. So the diagram of a general loading are as given. Next, fifth, the last load is external movement. A beam may be subjected to external movement at a certain points in a figure. Beam is subjected to clockwise movement of a W Newton meter at a distance L1 from left support. So the diagram of external movement are as follow. So we discussing all our loads in a mechanics, and the definition and the figures are also as given in the YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.